In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Scion XB key fob at home. All you will need is one of these CR 2016 batteries and a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is to look right here on the device. There is a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver into that area and twist. You'll hear a little popping sound and this back part will come right off. And now we will remove this box inside of here. Now we can set this aside. And if you're looking at it like this, down in this corner, there is a little area between the clear plastic and the black plastic where we will be inserting our flathead screwdriver and again, just twisting until we hear a popping sound and it becomes loose enough that we can remove with our fingers. Maybe this will, for you, this might stay in this area. It might fall out. I'm just going to take it out for right now. Now on the left side, there is a little opening here in the plastic. We're going to insert the corner of our flathead screwdriver into that area and just kind of pry the battery out. And once you get part of it sticking out like that, you might just want to go under, get under it and push through or just twist until it comes free. Take a brand new CR 2016 battery and make sure the positive side goes face up. And you will just push and click it back into place. Now we can put everything back together. So this goes into the clear plastic, push it down. This goes on top, click it together. And now we can just pop this back in there and click the back on. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in one of your key fobs from any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.